So you want to know how to actually make money clipping starting from nothing? Then this video is perfect for you because today I'm going to be sharing a new clipping account I just made on TikTok. I started this from scratch last week and I am doing this organically, no cheating whatsoever. And I'm going to show you every single step with finding the content, editing it, posting it, and getting paid for these clips. And you can get paid out no matter how many followers you have. So literally anyone can do this. So a website I recently came across is called Doeslow, and there is tons of content to choose from on here, and you will literally get paid per 1,000 views that you generate on here. So I'm gonna have it linked down below so you guys can go through this and you can pick what creator on here you wanna make a dedicated account for. And so you can go through the different tabs here. So what I did is I went to the politics tab and I decided to make a political page because politics, no matter if you're on the left, if you're on the right, people are always gonna argue about this. People are gonna talk about it in the comments. So I can definitely see a decent success rate with creating a political page. So that's what I did here. And Timcast is the only creator here on Doeslow that's in the political niche. And so you can start with all of the content that he has on here. Today, I'm going to be clipping this piece of content, climate change deception. And as I click on this piece of content, I actually got accepted into a retainer trial program here on Doeslow where I'm required to post a minimum of 10 clips per week from this specific episode. And I get a guaranteed payout of $10. Is it a lot of money? No, it's not, but it's very cool that I'm guaranteed a certain amount of money no matter how many views I generate. Now, this is limited for the amount of clippers that they accept into this program. So as you can see this week, I have to post 10 clips and I have 6.5 days left. And I started this past week and these are all the clips that I made. Obviously, a lot of them didn't do very well, which I didn't expect because this is a new page. But over time, as we are staying consistent on this page, we will get to the point where we start hitting at least 1,000 views minimum every video. But as you can see, my 10th clip that I posted hit 10,000 views, which I'm very excited about. And so it's generated $5.50 on top of the $10 that I already made with the retainer program. And for those of you watching this, most likely you won't be able to get into the retainer program because it's already filled by now. But there are other retainer programs here on Doeslow that you can check out. One of them is by Jean Marie. So click the piece of content and then you will see apply to become a retained clipper. Click this down arrow and then you'll see all the information. So you can get paid out $50 every week for 20 clips in this campaign. So this is one of the creators you can check out. Another one is It's Krios. So as you click this piece of content, it will say the exact same thing. Every creator will be different. This one, you're guaranteed $10 a week for 20 clips. And so there's actually a few different things that you can do to help your chances of getting accepted into these retainer programs. So these things you want to focus on are how consistently you clip stuff for any creator, how consistently you're pulling decent views each week across all of your submissions, the quality of the production of your clips, how much engagement you get on your posts, being in a decent country where views are desirable for the creator. So that's just a little more information on the retainer program here on Doeslow. And so that's exactly what I did with Timcast. I'm in this. So for the week, this is what I'm going to be working on. And so now we are going to get started on these clips. And I'm going to take you guys through my entire process for that. So once you have your creator chosen, the first thing you want to do is you want to click the YouTube video link. And once you do that, you want to copy the link. And then you want to go to Weigh-In Video, which is a site that I use that generates these clips for me. So once you're on here, click YouTube video link, paste it into here, and then click the arrow. Weigh-In Video is going to find the best moments from here, and you can select your desired clip length that you want. I'm just going to leave it on auto. You want to click create viral clips, and now Weigh-In Video is going to use its AI system to find the best moments from the video. And Weigh-In Video actually will give you 200 free credits. So if you're not sure if you want to pay for this tool, you can try it out. I'll have a link down below in the description. Use code Ethan for 25% off your first payment. If you decide to go through with this, try it out, see if it works for your clipping process. It really helps for me. And as you can see right now, it's just loading all the different viral moments. And I want to say thank you to Weigh-In Video for sponsoring this video and to show you clippers out there how to streamline your process, because it genuinely does help save a lot of time. And as you can see right there, all the clips are now generated and we have a total of 56 clips. So now you can go through each of these clips, see what you want to post on your page. So I'm going to go through all these clips and I'm going to select 10 of them. So as you go through each of these clips, we are going to be using the bulk edit feature. So when you go through the clips, just make sure you click the arrow in the top left corner here to select it. So I've now selected 10 total clips that I want to use. So now what we are going to do is we are going to click bulk edit. This will help streamline the editing process. I already have a template specifically for Tim here. So what you can do is go to custom and you can create your own template here, and then you can save it as a preset. In this case, I'm gonna be using my preset for Tim here. So I'm gonna select it and say apply to 10 clips. So now all these clips are now processing in this preset that I already have selected. So a few of the clips are still processing, some are still ready. So we're gonna start with this clip right here that it's ready. So what we're gonna do is we are gonna click this button right here, open an editor. And with these clips, the hook is the most important part. So we wanna make sure our clip starts on the best part of the video. So I'm gonna play this and cut out any dead space at the beginning that should not be there. So I'm gonna cut right here. You can use the split tool, click split, and then select before and then click delete on your computer, or this delete button right here. You want to go to upload, and then you want to select the file from your PC. And then once that's loaded in, you just click on the image and it'll bring it straight to the timeline. The next important part that we want to do is we want to add a title card, add one of these presets. I like to use this one and to change the font to Montserrat. You want to summarize the video in a quick sentence, or you could use what Wayne Video used at the top. Our clip is ready. So now we got everything in here. And of course, for the captions, go to subtitles, style, all of that. And then once you have everything selected in here, you'll go to templates, add template, and then you'll save this as the presets. And then now we're gonna export this, and then we're gonna bring this into TikTok. So now I have the clip in TikTok. The first thing we wanna do is we want to add a description similar to the title card that we used here. So I'm gonna put, this is the truth about the Bilderberg Group. And for this campaign specifically, there's not any requirements regarding hashtags, who you have to tag, but make sure you do your due diligence with that depending on the creator that you pick. And what I like about posting from my PC is that it saves these hashtags for me. The last thing we want to do is we want to add music, so click sounds, go to favorites. And as of now on this account, these are the ones I have saved so far, or you can choose any of the sounds in your For You right here and you can add them as a favorite. So I'm going to use this spooky soundtrack right here because this is like a conspiracy theory type clip. I like to put it to around -30 so the music doesn't override the audio in the clip. And that's essentially the entire clip. And you can also schedule your clips on TikTok if you want to do all that through here. Obviously, with this being my first post, I'm going to post this now and then show you guys how to submit the clip on Duzlo. So what you want to do is go back to Duzlo, make sure you go back to the piece of content that you're clipping. And once you're on it, click submit post. And then you want to paste your TikTok URL into here. And then you want to click submit post. And obviously, before you do all this, make sure your TikTok or whatever account you're posting on is connected to Duzlo. It's saying it's been submitted for review and my clip is going to be reviewed in the next day. And of course, this is my clips from the last week. And I'm very excited that I made some money with at least one clip because I really did not think I would be getting thousands of views already. And that's the thing about clipping. You're going to have clips that are hit or miss. If you stay consistent, you are bound to get one good clip at least. And as you can see, this one right here got 10,000 views, which I'm going to take as a win. So if you're a clipper out there and if you want to start making money as soon as today, you need to be on Duzlo. This platform is perfect for beginners. So you can start getting paid with having no followers. The only thing you need to focus on is making sure you get a clip to at least 1,000 views. And that's pretty much it. So if you guys have any questions about Duzlo, about Wayne Video, please let me know down below in the comments. I would love to help out in any way I can. This page right here, the financial.clipper, is my main account for clipping. And I posted on this account for over 2 years now. And as you can see, I am raking in thousands and millions of views on this account. So I just want to show you guys that it is possible. So if you guys need help or have any questions, I also have a free Discord community in the description down below where I would also love to help out. And if you guys found value in this video, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. I really appreciate the support on the channel. And if you want to see any other content on my YouTube channel, please let me know. I would love to help you guys make money online as I do for all of the income sources that I make. Anyways, I really appreciate you guys watching this video and I'll see you in the next one.